what's up, guys? Make sure you guys can hear me on your mic. Uh, hey, what's up, everybody? This is Dwight with Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Do I sound good? Let's hit that chat. Let's start chatting, guys. Chat away. You got any projects you want me to cover? Please hit me up. Chat away, and we will be doing a lot of technical analysis today. I want to talk about a lot, actually. But before we get started, I'm just going to say this. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, with all that said, guys, all right, let's just jump right into this. Oh, man. Do I think the market's going to go down? Yes, I do. All right, let's play some music in the background here. Let me know if you guys like this background music. If you don't, I won't play it. But I think it should sound cool. I just want to make sure it's not too loud. I'm sure you understand where I'm coming from. So type in the chat if you don't like it, if it's too loud or whatever. But I think it should be about right now where I have the volume. All right, so crypto market, what's going on? I think it's going to go lower. That's what I think is going to happen. For starters, let's start out with Bitcoin here. What's up, bro? Who we got? Crypto Dude MX. What's up, man? Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. I appreciate it to death. Got 4 viewers already. Hey guys, do me a favor. Every one of y'all hit the like button and leave let's start chatting, man. Put some projects in there you want me to look up. Whatever. I mean, I love this. I live for this, to be honest. I had a coworker come up to me who was watching me the other day. He was like, I was the 13th person who hit the like button. I was like, thank you. That was like a major motivator, man. It made me feel really good, like I was accomplishing something. It's the littlest things you can do in the world to really brighten somebody else's day. But enough of that self-help stuff. All right, let's jump right into it, guys. Remember, please, in the chat, we talk about anything and everything on this channel. If I don't know something, guys, I'm a very humble person. I'll be straight up like, I don't know. Let's learn together right here and there. Because here's the trick with the crypto world. It is overwhelming. Why do people not get involved with crypto? Because they feel overwhelmed. Don't feel overwhelmed. That's why you learn. You learn, you get better. You know what I mean? Do not be scared. It's because it's too much. It's way too much sometimes. All right, so let's take a quick look at Bitcoin, guys. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin, I think, is setting us up for a major drop. I don't think the bottom's in, but I'm just an ordinary guy. You know what I mean? I do not have a crystal ball. I got a mic that looks like a crystal ball, but it is not a crystal ball. Let's see. On Tuesday the 20th, looks like we have a change from previous trend on the 4-hour chart here, and Bitcoin is showing a bearish continuation right now on the Vu Manchu Cipher A chart here. It's an open source chart that somebody was nice enough to create for free for us. If you look over here at the Cipher B chart, we're starting into a channel right here with a sell signal, and it is just starting this channel. So we're just starting to move downward. The volume is yellow, that's down. The red stands for cash flow in the market, overall crypto market. That is a negative, and the momentum is on a downward trend. RSI is definitely on the oversold side of things. It's not ridiculously oversold, but Bitcoin is currently oversold. So it's very telling. If you guys have not hit that like button, hit that like button so we get this baby packed with people. The more at the party, the better. You know what I mean? And chat away, guys. I know y'all got questions or got something to say, right? All right, Bitcoin with exponential moving average right now. Bitcoin is showing us that it's showing very bearish tendencies. That's on a 1-hour chart. So I'm going to do you a favor. I'm going to start with the 1-day chart. When you're looking at the exponential moving average, it's a very easy chart to read. Do not be overwhelmed. And these ribbons, basically, the lower, the worse it is. So right now, down here, Bitcoin on a daily chart is 100% bearish. Now, which was considered good to see it moving up in there. So let's say we're on a daily chart, and we're going to go to the 4-hour chart. Now you're going to see the 4-hour chart. It looks like Bitcoin wants to go bullish. It wants to have bullish tendencies, but in reality, it is currently going bearish. So that's where we're going, guys. Bitcoin is definitely on a downward trend right now. It's not showing very bullishness to me. Let's see what a volume profiler chart here. You'll see that the resistance point, there's a very strong resistance point for Bitcoin at this point, is $16,959. It's going to hit a lot of resistance. It's got to break past that so we can go to the moon, guys. but I think we're gonna go deeper on a wrong direction before we go to the moon. The Bollinger Bands is actually neutral. The Bollinger Bands are these two purple lines right here, and we're actually floating in neutral territory in there right now. The the upper resistance point, there was a little bit of a crazy wick up here, right here, where it wicked to 18,400. That is the upper resistance point that we got to break past. But before we worry about that, we have to break past this primary volume level right here. It's going to have to break past that before we can go in the northbound direction. All right. The MACD is looking bullish right now for Bitcoin, which is a good thing on the MACD side of things. I wish it was a little bit stronger, but it's not showing too much strength, but it's a start. Bitcoin on a 4-hour chart is showing bullishness into the next 4 days with the Ichimoku. There is a little red wick here, so yeah, we are definitely going to the fear and greed indicator. We are entering into the fearful side of things. All right. Hey, if you guys don't like that music in the background, type into the chat you don't like it, because yeah, I'm trying different things. If that squirrel thing's annoying, let me know. But also make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. All right. Let's take a quick peek at Ethereum here. And Ethereum, all right, we have a change for, all right, well, let's start here. We have a change for previous trend with Ethereum right now. And then we have a bullish continuation, then a bearish continuation, bullish, bearish. It's not really doing anything too exciting right now. Right here, this was verified as long signal, and we rode through this channel already. Then we had a sell signal and potential long, that it went to sell. So actually, Ethereum looks like it's going to be pulling back along with Bitcoin, which is typical because everything is not decoupled yet. It's much better than it used to be. Like back in 2017, 2018, it was absolutely amazing. If Bitcoin moved 0.5%, the entire market moved 0.5%, and that's how that whole first year went. It was so annoying. But over time, it will become more and more decoupled. All right, Ethereum with the 20-day moving average is purple, the 50-day is green, the 100-day is orange, and the 200-day is red. You'll see that that Ethereum, the 20-day moving average has crossed over the 50-day, which is a very bullish thing. Hopefully keep that momentum going, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think Ethereum's going to be pulling down with Bitcoin. I don't think the bottom's in yet. I'm actually expecting the bottom between 15,000 and 12,000. I have dry powder on this side waiting to deploy, just waiting. I'm actually, because I want a dollar cost average, but I think at this point, dollar cost averaging potentially could hurt me because I have a strong suspicion the market's going to go lower. But you got to remember, this is all, there's no guarantees. You know what I mean? Can't predict the future. Ethereum with the fear and greed, with the Ichimoku is showing it as being bearish. The fear and greed indicator is also showing Ethereum is bullish right now. That's interesting. So the fear and greed indicator for Ethereum actually has this being bullish. Now, that does contradict some of the other technical analysis things I've seen here, but it's seen as bullish, and I understand why. I don't know. We have to ride out and see this. That's why I like to look at more than one indicator to get the best feel for this. I wish I charted this out a little bit more to get a better feeling, but you know what? It's my show. It's my party. I can do what I want to, right? All right, so here, let's go here to the trend line. We're going to put a trend line in for Ethereum. We're going to leave this in here for tomorrow or at some point this week, and then we can come back and see, did Ethereum continue that bullish trend, or did it pull back? I think it's going to continue this bullish trend right now, guys. I'm sorry. I do not think this bullish trend is going to continue. I think that you're going to see a breakdown through here, but only time will tell. Time will tell. All right. Let's see. If you guys the people that just joined, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Next up, I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about XRP. XRP is doing some pretty big things. They really got screwed. XRP got screwed, guys. It is what it is. I remember when the bull market kicked off, everything's looking beautiful, and SEC goes right after XRP and completely takes them out at the knees. The XRP army, they didn't fall apart, but it was quite horrible. So right now, XRP fired off with a, what do we have here? XRP fired off with a, why is this not cooperating? Stop it. Okay, let's just do this. All right, XRP fired off with a blood diamond here and a sell signal and did a pullback. It capitulated a little bit, nothing too crazy. And looks like it's actually on an upward trend right now for the time being. If you look down here at the Cypher B chart, a little messy. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, we have a potential long signal kicking in here. The volume is starting to go slightly positive for XRP. The volume is starting to move in the right direction, moving upward, and the cash flow is negative for the whole market right now. Now, the RSI is not indicating it as being oversold. RSI is actually, it is oversold, but it's actually heading towards the neutral territory, which is a good sign at least. Got to find some kind of positive in there. All right. If you have not hit that like button, guys, please hit that like button. And the more of you that chat with me, like my man Crypto Dude MX, the better to kick in this algorithm so we get more people in here. Right now we have 5 people. And I appreciate each one of you for joining this chat live stream. It means a lot to me. Never not think it means a lot to me. All right, so we're going to look at an XRP with a 20-day moving average, 20, 50, 100-day, and 200-day. The 20 is a purple, which on a daily chart cross over the red, which is considered a death cross, which means that you're going to be seeing a pullback with Ethereum. I'm sorry, with XRP. Now, if you put it on a 4-day chart, 4-hour chart, man, I got to slow down. I'm sorry, guys. Now, if you put it on a 4-hour chart, you're going to see a very nasty death cross here. Okay, so on a 4-hour chart, you had a 200-day moving average do a death cross over the 20, the 50, and 100-day. So there, that's horrible, actually, guys. That occurs. That's really bad. That is not good. That would make sense to me because that does have a correlation with this blood diamond right here, and that is why that blood diamond fired off. Usually when you see a blood diamond, it's going to do a significant pullback. Now, not always, but usually. And I wasn't quite understanding it looking at the Cypher B chart here, but after looking at the moving averages are bad right now because there was a death cross. So we're going to have to wait and see how this plays out. But yeah, right here, this death cross right here, this range right here. So I have to wait and see how this plays out, but hopefully, I think XRP is going to be just fine, guys. The fear of greed indicator actually has it as listed as bullish, and that is why we're having these contradicting signals because of this here. All right, so we're going to jump over to another chart. That's why I look at so many charts, guys. You look at all the charts, and then you got to go with your gut instinct, more or less, because you're trying to predict what's going to happen. XRP right now is trading in between the 2 Bollinger Bands, which means it's not oversold or overbought. Looks like a primary resistance point for XRP will be at 38 cents, which means it's going to take a lot to break past that. The lower support for XRP is going to be at, here we go, right here at 31 and a half cents. Now the MACD, which lags behind the market for XRP, I mean for everything, is showing it as still being bullish right now. So XRP is acting a little weird, guys. Now this is why it's acting a little weird. There's a lot of rumors floating around. One of my favorite guys, Charles Hoskinson, even got pulled into this. He's with Cardano, and basically XRP is the SEC lawsuit against them. Looks like it's going to get settled. I think XRP is going to win, but it's not over yet. But it looks like it's so close, and everybody knows that it's basically the lawsuit is trying to decide if XRP is considered a security, or I guess crypto, whatever, but if it's a security or not, which will fall under the like stocks basically. But I think the XRP is going to win, and it's going to be a groundbreaking event for the US. You got to remember, it's a big world out there. People like to think of crypto as being localized to where they live, but it's much bigger than you, me, this country. Cryptocurrency is international. So when I say that, when people say not your keys, not your crypto, that's why you don't want to keep all your crypto on any exchange. In theory, you can grab your little Ledger wallet. You don't even have to have that technically. You can memorize that 24-word whatever, go somewhere in the world, buy a ledger, buy a laptop, have instant access to your money anywhere in the world. It's borderless. It's too powerful. That's why it scares government and it scares people. And it's going to win. It's obvious. Oh, all right. We got 8 viewers. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We got Irish HEX. Glad you keep going, mate. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you too. Happy Kwanzaa. Just kidding. Merry Christmas, man. All right. Hey, make sure you guys hit that like button. The more likes I get, the more chatting I get, the more YouTube will share this video. So please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not subscribe? I'm up to I got 4 subscribers yesterday. It's pretty cool. It's very awesome. All right, so XRP, it's kind of weird, guys. I'm all over because this is all right. We're gonna do what I used to do: bearish signal, bullish, neutral. Very bearish. I'm sorry, very bearish, bullish. This is all for XRP, guys. Neutral, bullish, bearish. Let's look at this on a daily chart. Bearish, very bearish. So yeah, so you go through there, you kind of count them out, and you decide I'm going to go. I'm going to go. It can go either way. But I think that when the SEC lawsuit is announced, and I think we're very close, I meant to do more research for this video. I feel like an idiot since I used to for the title. I don't like doing clickbait. I'm sure you guys respect that. But it looks like XRP is kind of neutral. It can go either way, like significantly go either way, like take off like a rocket or just go bearish. So I wish I could do better with technical analysis, but I don't want to give false hope. For the guys in the watching me right now live stream, please chat, guys. What do you want me to cover? What would you like to see? Help me, help you, help me. All right. I want this channel to be for you guys. It's not about being for me. Let's see. I got 6 likes so far. Thank you, everybody, for hitting the like button. If you haven't hit the like button, just take a second to hit it. You have no idea how much it does for me. All right. Let's jump over to what we're going to talk about next. Want to talk about Dogecoin? I'm going to cover Dogecoin real quick. Nobody's talked. All right. We got another like. Thank you. Thank you. We got another like going there. All right, let's take a peek at Dogecoin. This is what I feel about Dogecoin. Just to keep it real, just to keep it real funky and real honest. I think of Dogecoin as crap. I don't like Dogecoin. I don't believe in Dogecoin. But what Dogecoin is it's going to take off. Why? Because of Elon Musk. Elon Musk could fart, and it sounds like Doge, and it's going to run. Does it sound stupid? Is that a stupid statement? Yes, it is. Is it a true statement? Yes, it is. Elon Musk did one of the biggest rug pulls of the bear market, and nobody remembers or talks about it. Why? Because he's rich and he's a genius. But he still did a rug pull on so many of his fans, and nobody's mad at him. He pumped up Dogecoin, and then he pulled the rug from everybody's feet and sold it. And so when they crashed, you were left holding the bags. He took all the profit. That's what really happened. And nobody talks about it. Really ticks me off. But Dogecoin, it's going to take off next bull run, guys. So, I'm actually, when people ask me what should I invest in for the next bull run, I'm actually starting this. I hate Dogecoin. It doesn't do anything. I think it's a waste, personally. But it started off as a joke. But me personally, I think Dogecoin is going to do very well. It'll probably pass $1 next bull run, and I don't think you can go wrong. If you guys think I can go wrong, let me know. Let's see what we got here. Glad crypto dude, I am a Zen whale. I wish I was a whale. I'm probably more like a Zen trout, because I was there on the first day, so or maybe a goldfish. I'm probably a Zen goldfish. So I am here for any updates on Zen. Thanks. All right, crypto dude. Next, let me finish with Dogecoin, and we will go right to Zen. I respect that. All right, so let's wrap up Dogecoin. Are there any Doge fans in here? My 6 viewers, any Doge fans? Nobody? Waiting? All right, so let's do this real quick. So there was a manipulation in market, then a bearish continuation right here for Dogecoin. So it's kind of leveled out right now. We have a, it's like currently on a long signal. It's running pretty flat on the volume. Cash flow into the market is running pretty flat. Momentum is definitely down. RSI has it as being definitely oversold on a 4-hour chart. Doge with the VRVP is showing as being oversold because it's bouncing off of these Bollinger Bands here, these purple lines. So that's showing me that a Doge is currently oversold, which actually is a good thing. You want to buy things when they're negative, not positive. MACD, which lags behind the market, is saying that the market for Doge is bullish right now. But yeah, remember, MACD lags behind the market. And it looks like there's going to be a strong resistance point at 87. I'm sorry, 0.0879. So Dogecoin will have to break through that at some point, and it looks like it's going to be a bit of a challenge. All right, what we got next? Any more Doge? Okay, Dogecoin is bearish with the exponential moving average. It's going to stay bearish. Dogecoin. Let's see what this. This is going to take a little half a second. We're going to put this on a 4-hour chart and look at it, and we have a depth cross. So that's what I was talking about with XRP. We also have a depth cross right here with the 200-day moving average. It just crossed over the 20, then the 100. I'm sorry, then the 50, then the 100. And that's actually, there's a correlation, and I kind of like seeing that. Obviously, this whole side over here is red, and I'm betting that there's going to be a significant pullback before we can go north. But when we go north, it's going to be nice, guys. You want to start buying now. The bottom's not in, no, but like I always say, if you were to buy Bitcoin if you buy Bitcoin today at 16,800 and it runs up to 100,000, do you care if you bought it at 16,800 or if you got it at 12,500? It's not going to matter at that point, really. I mean, you would appreciate more money, but does it really matter? Hey, for the people that just came in, please hit that like button. Can you get me over 10 likes? All right, we're kind of dragging today a little bit. I think we're getting real close to the holidays. Somebody just came in. Hit that like. Help a brother out. All right, I'm gonna keep rolling. All right, so let's talk about Zen. I got a little bit to talk about Zen. Where's my man Crypto Dude MX? Sorry to keep you waiting. Here we go. All right. So Zen is actually currently, this is the trend line that we drew yesterday for Zen. And you can see that Zen is doing a pullback and it broke through this trend line. So this is definitely a bearish indicator for Zen right here when it broke through that trend line that I drew. Now, hopefully this all-time low right down here, I believe it's 5020469. Hopefully that all-time low holds, but there is no guarantees. And on a Cypher B chart, it looks like we're going to be going bearish, guys. As you can see right here, this is a sell signal, and we're starting to go downward on this channel. The volume is down, momentum is pulling back, and the cash flow is very negative in the market. Now, the RSI is the one good thing for Zen. It's not indicating it being oversold or overbought. So that's actually a good thing. One more like, guys. I got 9 likes. One more likes, and give me a subscriber while we're at it. All right. All right, Ichimoku chart here for Zen is showing it right now. Okay, so for Zen right now with the Ichimoku chart, it's showing Zen as being bearish moving forward. The fear and greed indicator for Zen actually has it more so on the greedy side of things, which is kind of cool for Zen, guys. All right, that's XRP. We'll leave this here. Now, a little bit of Zen news. It wasn't big news, but it was news to me. Let me pull this up here properly for you guys. Yesterday, I was messing around on OpenSea. Now, if you don't know about OpenSea, OpenSea is where XeNFT is going to be launching at. And there were some discrepancies that I noticed. And the main discrepancy that I saw for XEN Crypto in there was that the images here, I copied them. I actually copied them so you can see them. It wasn't showing me what was Ruby, what was the limited, what was the unicorns. And I sent out a tweet. What do you call it? A tweet. I said a tweet. I sent out a tweet, and Jack Levin, who is the founder of the project, said that those properties will show up in OpenSea. So somebody else sent me a message. Here's the link right here. And right here in OpenSea, these are the actual Zen NFTs that will be launching. And they do indicate exactly what they are. So you have the rare, the collectibles, the unicorns, and all that good stuff. But so you can actually go and OpenSea testnet and play around with this. Now, there was a coworker of mine. He may be logged in now, maybe not. But if you guys do just a little bit of research, if you have not taken advantage of XEN Crypto yet, I suggest you do. It's free. All you need is a MetaMask wallet, a little bit of Ethereum to pay for the gas fee, and you mint them. It's free. But you can lead a horse to water. You can't force them to drink, right? All right, Crypto Dude MX. Are you still there with me? It's real quiet today. I think we're getting too close to Christmas. All right, so next up is HEX. Usually, if you're a XEN follower, you should like HEX. All right, HEX is having a rough time these days, guys. All right, so we have a blood diamond here, which is a very strong, going to indicate a strong pullback, a bearish continuation. We bounce off of the support line here, and we're currently sitting at 0.0245 cents. HEX currently, actually, it's just reached the bottom of this channel, and it is firing off with a long signal. So hopefully HEX won't pass the support level here, and we'll see it go in the right direction. The RSI is, oh, you got it, Crypto Dude. The RSI is showing HEX being oversold with no end in sight. So hopefully this bullish indicator right here will swing around. But that is a good signal right there. The volume being neutral and not going further down is a good thing. There's now we just need to pop up a little bit. Hey, for the guys in there, if you haven't hit the like button, please hit the like button so YouTube will share this video. All right, so now we took a peek over here with the moving averages for HEX. You can see right here it's going to hit a lot of resistance at 3 cents. We talked about that yesterday. The moving averages are extremely bearish for HEX. All right, it gets no more bearish than what we have right here. HEX with Ichimoku chart on the daily chart is predicting HEX to stay bearish all the way out to January 15th. So if Paul's chain doesn't launch, I wouldn't be too excited. And the Bollinger Bands for HEX is showing bearish, very, very bearish. And the 4-hour chart is also very, very bearish. And HEX, okay, this is a XEN chart that I drew earlier. All right, so that's where we are with HEX. So, guys, the people that are in this chat, it's pretty dead today. And I don't want to end too early. Is there any projects you guys would like to see me cover or anything that you're interested in? Because I'm more than happy to look up a project. But you got to let me know if you want me to cover something. All right? Because it's like if I, in the titles of the videos is so tricky. So if I put XEN Crypto, then a ton of people will come. But all my videos say XEN Crypto. And you can only talk about something but so much. There's such a large crypto world out there. And people are being very myopic right now. Like it seems like every YouTuber, every guy that loves crypto, everybody's just hugging on to one or two projects they love, and they're just huddling in a corner with the project they love, and that's all they want to talk about. That's all they want to see. But there is a huge crypto world out there. There's so much going on out there. So just hit me up in the chat. Let me know what you want to talk about. Right now we have 4 viewers. I'm willing to look up any projects. If there's a project you may want to suggest to me, if there's something you want to see, if you got a question, I'm down for whatever. All right. One thing I do want to talk about is Cardano. Do not sleep on Cardano. Do not fall for all the FUD on Cardano. Cardano is going to melt faces off. BitBoy used to always say that back in the day. You will see Cardano melt off faces this next bull run. And they've already, it's going to be huge. I mean, I could do so much on this video based on Cardano if you guys like Cardano. But nobody's chatting. I can't tell what y'all want to see. I want to help y'all. All right. But looking at Cardano's chart right now, Dave, it's been vicious on Cardano, guys. As you can see, they were up at 30 cents. Now we're sitting at 25 cents. I consider this a bargain, a steal, literally. I'm probably going to dollar cost average some of this just to make sure I get Cardano at this price. Now, this is where people are messing up. When Cardano went to 225, everybody's like, oh, I wish I could have go to that 7 cents. You know what I mean? So Cardano went to $3. Now it's all the way back down at 24 cents. We're all in a recession. We know that we're in recession. this is the time when I'm going to dollar cost average and scoop up as much as I can, and hopefully be able to retire. All right, you got to think a year and a half into the future. I know it's hard to do because we live today, but there's always tomorrow if you're blessed and if you're lucky. And that's how you got to look at it. Cardano right now, it's looking like it might actually go a little lower because this is manipulation and bearish continuation. All the wicks are going down. Right here, we have a bear sell signal inside this channel that has not ended. The volume is neutral. Momentum is definitely down. RSI is extremely oversold. So you're seeing a pretty significant pullback on Cardano. So this is actually a good time to pick up some Cardano. But the trick has it bottomed? I don't know. So what you got to do is you just stay in the game and you just get little tastes. You know what I mean? You get a little taste here, a little taste there. That's the best way to play it. ADA is definitely a bearish. It's going to be bearish. There's nothing there to show. And the fear of the greed indicator is definitely showing Cardano as being fearful. Exponential moving average for Cardano, bearish, very bearish. Now, this is some projects on Cardano I wanted to talk to you guys about. All one of you, thank you for staying with me. That one person, I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. All right, Cornucopias. I really want you to take a look at Cornucopias project. This is a metaverse project with Cardano, and I think it's going to do big things, very big things. It's amazing. Like right here, it's behind the game. Let's see. Let's click on. I hadn't clicked on it yet. It's just going to be amazing with these. This is like Ready Player One stuff, and not all metaverses are going to be like Ready Player One, but I do think that Cornucopias is going to be pretty damn impressive. Another project I want you guys to look at is Pavia. Now, Pavia is lagging behind on Cornucopias as far as development and communication with its community, yada, yada, yada. But do not sleep on Pavia either. That's another Cardano metaverse. Now, Pavia, they've made their website better, but I haven't seen a lot about what's going on behind the scenes, and it's disturbing me a little bit. So it's kind of tricky. We're going to have to wait and see. But yeah, it doesn't seem like there's too many people today interested in being live. I think part of the problem is just getting too close to Christmas. So I'm going to end this video early today, and then I'll be back tomorrow because there's like one person. But whoever that one person is, thank you for blessing me with your presence. For everybody else, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, please. All right, peoples. Peace out.